Hey guys, it's Loretta from All About Loretta, and today I'm back with another video, of course. But in today's video, as you can see, it's gonna be a slime video because I have all these ingredients here. Oh, sorry. But before we get started to this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment what video I should do next, and hit that notification bell for you to be notified for the next video I do. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so the ingredients you're gonna be needing is a container, a mixing tool, some contact solution, and don't mind because I already opened it because we just went to go get it. And then you're not but not least the main ingredient, glue. So yeah, but you're supposed to use Elmer's white glue, safe, non-toxic, because if you don't get the white, it will not work the same, because last time I tried glitter glue and white and glue all, and they did not work the same. So yeah, make sure you have the same glue. You don't need the same container. You don't need the same mixing tool or the same contact solution, because all the contact solutions are the same except for the glue. So yeah, so once you open your glue, oh, it doesn't have to be a gallon because that'll be weird if you really thought you didn't have a gallon. Okay, I haven't made sign in a long time, guys. Like, you don't even know how long. So I haven't been posting because I usually make sign videos. Oh, that's too much. Okay. How much glue do I? Oh my god, that's a lot. Alright. Okay. And then once you're gonna get your mixing tool, once you pour out your glue, you're gonna mix it. And I know why you're thinking, why are you mixing glue by itself? It's because why I'm mixing that by itself is because if you don't mix it, when you're done with the slime, it's like it has air bubbles. Well, not that much, but with clear glue it does. But at least I'm not using clear glue. So once you think it's enough mixing, then you can move on to putting your contact solution in. So I have this one. I got it in Dollar General. Okay. Once you open it, don't pour in that much. Just splatter everywhere. And once every spot has a spot now, like every spot, you could mix it, and if it's not that stretchy, you could start putting more and more. Okay, and the next ingredient you're gonna be needing, oh, sorry guys, because this is a mess. Okay, so the next ingredient you're gonna be needing is some shaving cream. You don't need the same shaving cream, but you need the same, like not shaving foam, not shaving gel, just shaving cream and regular. But not the same kind, because that would be weird. Oh, it smells so good. Smell you. It smells so good. Okay. Okay. Oh, and another thing, you shouldn't be putting that much contact solution is because if you put too much and if it's watery, And when you mix it and it doesn't want to go into slime, then that's why, because you put too much contact solution, and it'll get really watery like water. So don't do that. That's another reason. Getting better. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. When I'm done kneading it, and yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm done. I kept on putting the same thing and everything, and it came out well. Yeah, actually, I'm putting in the sour cream. Does it look like sour cream? I think it does. So I'm gonna go prank my mom that I found it somewhere. I found it in her room. And it was there because I went to go see if I could find socks. That's gonna be a prank. Okay guys, so oh my god. My Powerade fell. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment what video I should next, and hit that notification bell for you to be notified for the next video I do. And I love this so much. It looks like actually sour cream. No joke. I'm gonna put it like it's like actually sour cream, like it's not slime, like I just touched it. Poking it. Okay, so now I need to knead it. No, like knead it. Now I need to like put it down like that. There. That looks like sour cream right there. Okay, guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment what video I should do next, and hit that notification bell for you to be notified for the next video I do. And yeah, bye. See you tomorrow. Mwah. Love you. See you later, but not forever, because we post because I post every day. See ya, bye.